Alright, so let's take this new little metal fold area from the back and let's start to detail it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit 3 to go to border edge mode. I'm going to select the inside border edge. Now I'm going to hit Control and click on the polygons over here to select those inside polygons. I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to get rid of those. I don't want those polygons right now. I don't need them. So what I'm going to do is go to my back view over here. I'm going to start to make my cuts. Okay, so here's the way that we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to look at this, and you can see there's areas where the metal is cut and stuff. So I'm going to start to cut that up. So just watch me do it, and it'll start to make sense. Okay. So the way I'm going to do this is pretty simple. I'm going to select this polygon over here that's on the right, so basically this one, okay? And I'm going to use the quick slice tool. You got to love that quick slice tool. It's so useful. And I'm going to make a quick slice up there and down there for that part. I'm going to come down here, make a quick slice there, and make a quick slice right there, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that new polygon that I've created, that one right there, and this one right here. And I'm going to go to quick slice. I'm going to make a quick slice on the inside about right there, okay? If I come over here to my perspective view, you can see what I have. I'm going to take this new polygon that's right there, and that one right there. I'm going to hit delete to get rid of them, and that gives us this kind of mechanical edge cut right there, similar to the image. I'm going to go back to the back view here, and now I'm going to do these little arc-shaped objects here, these little half circle objects here, where basically we would have some thumb screws into the case right there. Okay, so the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to select this polygon. I'm going to go to quick slice. I'm going to hit F2 so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'm going to make a quick slice right in the middle of that little arc. Right there too. Make one right there. I need to select this bottom polygon. So I basically should have a whole bunch of new edges right here. I'm going to go to edge mode, and I'm going to select the edge right there, the edge right there, this edge here, and this edge down there for all those little arcs. Okay, and with these edges selected, what I'm going to do is pretty simple. I'm going to go to chamfer. I'm going to go to the options. I'm going to take the segments down to 1, and I'm going to increase the chamfer to the point where the chamfer on the top and bottom for each one of those basically goes to the top and bottom of the little arcs. So I'll hit OK, and if I look at this real quick so you can see exactly what I'm doing, okay? Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of the little polygons that I've created for those little arc-shaped areas right there. Okay, so make sure you get all of them. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I'm going to go to quick slice. Again, I'm going to make a quick slice just on the inside about right there. Because I had all those polygons selected, it should have made a quick slice at the exact same point on all those polygons. I'm going to go to edge mode, and I'm going to select all of those new little inside edges that I've created. So I'm going to take that one, take that one, I'm going to take that one. Should have all 4 selected. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now I'm going to use the scale tool. But what I want to do is I want to use the scale tool in local mode. So how can I do that? Well, if you hold down Alt and right-click to open up the quad menu, you'll get a different quad menu. And from right here, you can select your coordinate system. So you can have it set to world, you can set it to local, or all these other modes. I'm going to set it to local. Now I'm going to scale this down like this to get kind of this type of shape right here, okay? Alright, so because I did it in local mode, it's going to go ahead and automatically do this for every single one of the little arc objects I had selected. So now the next thing is to do is hold down Control and click on the vertex button to select those corner vertices for all of those. See that? It's just a fast way of working. I'm going to go to my quad menu and I'm going to hit chamfer. And the amount of times you want to chamfer this is really up to you. I'm going to chamfer it twice. So I'm going to hit apply and continue and chamfer it another time. Just going to control the amount of chamfer here. Just keep it in check. I'm going to hit OK, say I'm happy with that. Now if I go back to my perspective view, you can see that I end up with these little polygons here that are very circular, they're very round, thanks to the chamfer. Okay, so I have these 4 polygons here. Now I'm going to delete those to get rid of them, and we should end up with these little arch kind of shapes right there, which looks like the image. Alright, awesome. So let me go ahead and make a few more cuts before I end this video. going to select this bottom polygon that's down here, so this one. And what I'll do is I'll use the quick slice, and I'll make a quick slice right there. Over here it looks like we also need a quick slice, so I'm going to add one there. Right here, the quick slice is a little bit different, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and select this polygon right here, okay? And what I can do is I can use my snap tools or my snap settings, which, if you remember, I have vertex turned on. You should have vertex turned on. If not, go ahead and activate it. Deactivate any other of these elements if they're activated. I'm going to close that. What I can do is I can go ahead and turn on my snapping. And I can go to quick slice, and I can snap my quick slice to that vertex that's right there. Okay? Just make a quick slice down like this. I'm going to turn snaps off by hitting the S key, S for snapping. I'm going to select this little polygon that's right there. I'm going to go back to quick slice. I'm going to make a quick slice about down here like that. Now I'm going to take this polygon. I'm going to hit delete to get rid of it. Over here we got kind of a funny corner right there. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. I'm going to take this polygon that's right here. I'm going to continue to use the quick slice. Make a quick slice there on the top, one on the bottom. Take this polygon here. I'll use quick slice it right there. Perfect. I'm going to take that new polygon, delete it. So I start to end up with something like this. You can see how I start to get all my cuts right there, all those little mechanical cuts. All of those make a huge, huge difference in the object, okay? Alright, so let's work on those corners. But you know what? I'm going to do that in the next video and just finish this off then. Right now I'm going to end this video and we'll continue when we return in the next one.